Okay, let's make a video about dividing fractions. So it's very simple. Just keep the same fraction. The first one, 3/5. Keep, change, flip. Change the sign. Division I change to multiplication, and flip. You flip the second fraction, so there will be 4/1. You don't need to put the 1 here. I'm just doing as for visualization. So now there is nothing you can simplify here. So 3 times 4, 12. 5 times 1 is 5, so 12 divided by 5. So that's the answer in fraction. We can change that number to decimal and mixed number if needed or if you want it. 2/3. 2/3 times 6/1. So I'm not going to write the 1 right now. Now you divide equal. Divided by 3, 1. Divided by 3 is 2. 2 times 2, 4. So 4 is the answer for this. And the last one, 11/12. So keep, change, and flip. 6/5. Divided by 6, 1. Divided by 6 is 2. Nothing else to simplify. 11/10. So that's the answer. Okay? Any question? Put it in the comment. If you want anything else about mixed number or anything, just let me know. Thank you. God bless you.